if you're doing the art auction, remember that lithograph means copy. I had to look that up. So art auctions are great for free champagne, but beware that you are bidding on copies of art that is signed, not actual art in many cases.
Tip number 2, always register your dinner time because they're going to be really full. And remember, you can always ask for seconds.
If you do get a balcony cabin, make sure that you wake up, enjoy the sunset and sunrise.
One of the other tips that I would recommend is actually staying on the boat the second half of the day when you port, because you get the boat to yourself pretty much and you enjoy all the different activities without a line.
So if the ship doesn't give you free drinks, make sure you buy a soda card because it'll save you for the duration of the cruise, just like when you also buy Wi-Fi in bulk. So make sure that you purchase a soda card at the concierge desk if you like to drink soda.
Another tip is bring your own bottle and fill it up, because there won't be any bottles around here. They're trying to reduce waste, so bring your own reusable bottle. Another tip that I really enjoy is do the dining experiences. It's very good for the price and you won't be disappointed.
So here's another tip for you. If you're going to stay in the lower decks, to avoid the balconies, because when the ship moves, you're going to get seasick. So if you want, usually somewhere between decks 3 to 5 are safe if you get a lot of motion sickness, or potentially non-balcony cabins. Now, if you do get a lot of motion sickness, then one tip I saw online is to actually use earplugs, which stabilize it. Now, I tend to use earplugs when I sleep, so once I took my earplugs off and slept without earplugs, I felt a lot better. So play around with the pressure in your ear because it might help a little bit, and of course bring Dramamine.
One thing that you have to remember is they're going to try to get you off the ship as soon as possible, around 8 o'clock, but you can actually stay in the ship until about 11, have breakfast and enjoy your time just walking around until then.
So another tip that I have is make sure that you arrive early so that you can enjoy the amenities of the ship. If you wait too long, some of the parks will be closed, some of the water slide features will be closed, some of the attractions will be closed. So don't wait too long to the last day because they might close prematurely, and don't expect that these will be open on the last day of the trip.
If you have a lot of luggage, remember to set your luggage outside the door the night before and they'll bring it down for you so you don't have to lug it all around. And use a porter if you have a lot of family and lots of luggage, and just give them a nice tip.
And my last tip is make sure that you tip your service people, including your cabin steward, as well as when you're eating at restaurants. So make sure you tip them. Sometimes gratuity will be included on the fine dining restaurants, other times they won't.
If you like our video, just hit thumbs up and subscribe.